What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlogs. And yes, my people, right now, my people, we're in Drake's neighborhood, the Bridal Park Away, one of the richest neighborhood in Canada, my people. I don't know if I'm going to buck up on Drake house, round here, so I don't know which one really I am house, but we're going to show you guys all these big, expensive houses that's around this neighborhood. One of the richest neighborhood that's in Toronto, Canada, right now, my people. So everybody, me just want to tune in, log in, click the like button, click the share button, and we could get on to the vlog. That is it, people. Look at one of them house around here, so. 1 second, people. Let me just turn on the camera. 3. You don't know, my people. Look on that big mansion right there, some people. So, around here, so now, my people, like me say, you know, like when black people are walk around here. You see it? Them not like it. And I show off them nice, pretty house and stuff, you know, my people. Them not like it, you know, my people. That's why I have to go for the long tripod for put over and see somebody house them. You understand, my people? Because them not like when we're around here. I try to show off the nice, pretty mansion them. Canada half, you know, people. Some of them mansion here, I'll go for y'all $3 billion, $4 billion Canadian, you know, my people. Yes, man. I surround you so rich, you know, my people. Now walk, we are walk, and attack, we attack. Can't say everybody here look. That is it, you know, my people. Because I'm not like when I say black people round here. I try to do a one video. So now we're gonna start pulling up. People might have to park my car far away because you see there's no parking on the streets around here. None. So you know it's a long walk. I have to go walk to go back to my car. Yeah, man, but not joking anything. This one is probably the smallest house that you will see around here. You saw them guard it up, my people. Block it off. Because right now probably on a construction. Them now want nobody I see over there. Yes, man, my people. But we still a walk through. Still a go show them some big mansion. Soon pull up on them. But like I said, I had to park far away from around here because they don't know how the vibes there as a black man. But them place around here, so people, me and you can't buy them right now. Probably see. A nice, even that's nice one right, that's probably worth 800 million. Yeah, man. Not joking anything. Me I talk millions of dollars. People, millions. You know, buy nothing around here so for cheap. A nice little next one there. Nice little neighborhood, you know, my people. This will be like the uptown after uptown after uptown after uptown of Jamaica. Yeah, man, I don't know which part of that there, you know. But, look on the big mansion there. Over there, so. I want to get a better view. But we're pulling up to a big mansion right now, you know. Yeah, man. It's a far walk. I have to go walk back to, you know, my people. Alright, look on all the big walkway here. To over there, so now, to our next bigger mansion. Right over there, so my people. Yeah, man, a lollipop thing, man. Nice gardening and everything around here. You see? See if I could show you that big ass house. Look at that one over there. Yeah, man. Nice neighborhood. Everybody just look out of them damn eyes. Like me say, them not like when people are shoot around here, so you know. But this is a bridal park. We free for shoot anyway. In Canada. It's not against the law. You understand, my people? So don't afraid to come out of your house, come do what me I do. Yeah, man, but I really want to book up on Drake house. You know, for sure, you know. The community where Drake live in, you know. You see my people worldwide, we're gone with the one, you know. Yeah, man. I shouldn't walk on the next sidewalk, you know. Because them house over there, so look at them bigger than the side there. But alright, so them have a sidewalk in front of me. There's none over there, so probably for a reason. I don't know. But I might go across the road, bro. I gotta show you guys this big one right here, man. Look at that big one over there pulling up to right now. Look at that mansion. People, this is a mansion. Okay, people live there. I don't know, guest house. Not Airbnb. It's not no lollipop thing. Type of property. You understand me, people? Upon how far this next house is at. Way over there, you know, my people. Can't ever see it. Look at this house, people. Look at that one. You seeing that house, my people? And then a lollipop thing type of house, you know, my people. Them house are over here so big. You understand? Millions. Millions. Them say jerk house proper worth 180 million US dollar. In build the house first. So you know how much that probably worth now. You understand? This one over here says a designer own it. We don't even know what kind of name that, you know. But we can't even see over there. Hopefully you can see over there doing my people. But me can't even see over there. Say, man, get them big, bro. Come on, man. Look at that. Look at that mansion, my people. Look at that. Look at that house, the people. Look, that's a house, you know, my people. So don't get it twisted, you know, my people. We're outside are going to the best videos. Today. We're putting back the work now. Now sign up for it, and now we are doing it. So like some people, this community, I don't know. Not even cherry garden. You can't put cherry garden around them type of community. You have to go. I don't know what's the richest community in Jamaica. Where you can put this up against. So people, comment below. What's the richest community you can think of in Jamaica? Because I don't really know the richest community in Jamaica. You understand? But my people, I have to cross all the road in them because I believe the better house them is on my right side. Because I'll know I can't see no big house on my left side. But a far walk, seeing who you know, my people. Not be a big house. Upon all the lollipop house of my people. Look upon this. Look upon this one coming up, my people. Look at that. Look at that. I don't know how far I go down here, I go walk on my people. Look at that nice next to the one right there, so. So a lot of different mansions been building up, my people. A lot of different houses. Over here, so them have the renovation for a nice next big mansion right there, so. For sure, you. No, man. People must reach in our life to, you know, must see what we want in our life and say, yo, we have to go and fight, you know. And I make no boy or girl stop. We dream to build up. You understand? Don't make nobody stop your dream. My people, where's a will, there's a way. We can make it happen. We can afford it. And we push through and fight for it. You understand? Let me see. No one over there so small. But you see when I drive with a Porsche. Yeah, man. No, I think that was a Lambo SUV. Watch a big car them around here, some people. Jaja. Try and stop him and ask him what him do for a living. No joke on anything, my people. But people, like me have to go walk down even more for uno. I make the video a little bit longer. Yeah, man. I go walk all the way down from the bridal part. To make you see what really are going on over here. No lollipop thing, man. Be a big vehicles and stuff. So this bridal part now, my people, it's like a pass by way where people mostly drive through just to go back on Lawrence Avenue because them cut out Lawrence Avenue. So the next nice little place over here, so to know. Nice, my people. But like me say, me now go just pass by no body. For now, Rose Rice here, I come up here so now. And I be your old man, I drive them too, you know. I be your old people, I don't want to reach with my own march now. So young youths and young people out there, so. No work for the things from now. Don't sit down there and watch friends and family. Oh, me no want to go work. Get up and go work now. Now is the time for go work now. Now when you're old, you go sit down and want all of them things. I don't want this when I'm old. Judge, I got no, me 55, 60 and just to enjoy life. Nice little next property. We are going to enjoy life. So next nice one over here, so to my people. Nice property them, you know. So next big property over here, so again. Next big property, you know, my people. But still not find Drake house, you know, my people. But we still on the move. Still I go find Drake house. Not joking anything. Like I'm saying, I go walk all the way down. 1 hour worth of walking me have to go do. Just to find this property. Yeah, man. Because them say Drake Clip and bridal part. Don't really know for true or not. But I go walk go down Straight down there. At least half an hour worth of walking. Me I go walk go. Just to show you the more expensive neighborhood in Canada right now. No joke thing, my people. No joke thing. So right as now, will be the bypass. We have to build upon. To drive over upon. So next construction they are going over there, some people. Remember, you know, my people, a house that, you know. I don't know. I don't know, apartment building, you know. A one-man house that, you know, my people. People like me need to walk on the side there, you know. I go up on the side here and walk. I have to walk in the grass today. It's okay. I'm still have to walk on my rock up foot too, you know. But such is life. I have to give on the content. Promise, you know. Find a nice house there over there so I get built. Nice big one that too, you know. See? Outside look there. Down here so down, I never really walk or even drove down this part before, you know. So I don't know if I go see a lot of the big house them. So if Drake no live around here, so we are going to find Drake which part him live, you know. We are going to find the address and drive around the phone one day. Find a nice big one you know, man. Me jaja. Watch the people. And yeah, so young youth don't forget rich, young youth. Make this be an inspiring video. For people who live in Canada, America, England, anybody living in the world who watch a video here, pre the video here. Make it be an inspiring video. So, you want to have big things in your life too. Yeah, man. No joke thing. Because we have to be rich in our life too, you know, my people. You must be rich in our life too. No lollipop thing. You can't work, people. Don't spend off your money for foolishness. Invest in real estate. Worldwide, they've been telling you this. Invest. People, I don't know if this one a Drake, you know. A Drake on these people. People, watch a big house right now. Be a car night too, you know. Look, I bring all the tall tripod today, you know, my people. I'm so you the one here. Judge your God, man. Watch one here, people. Watch that one there. Mighty God. Look on the one there. Woo! Look at that. Look at that, my peeps. We are making walk. We are walk. We still are walk, my people. Nice little landscape, you know. You know? Wish me have some trees like this all on my house. What we are building now? Still a build. That is it. Nah, give up hope right now. It's slow. But sometimes Father God make you have to step back a little bit and work, you know? So don't never give up hope. Look on the one there now, my people. It's a castle. Yes, man. It's a castle right there, so you know, my people. Like the one that's still on any construction or it's sell out and I'm gonna renovate it. It look like that. So look like I'm gonna renovate the one here. So over here so now, them have a park over here so. Yeah, man, probably walk through the park there too. And show you guys the park. But look at that big house though. Jaja God, man. I don't think we're gonna find Drake's house today. Holy. We still make it walk with people. Still make it walk. Yeah, man. Still make the walk, man. Like, I have no problem for walking, you know. Because this Wednesday come up, people. A 4 or 5 hour walk that downtown alone. I have to capture different areas for you, you know. Yeah, man, no joke in anything, man. No joke in anything. Downtown video they are going to be long. But this is the richest neighborhood, one half. We can go downtown here, one of them couple next big places. And they have a next side to this place too, you know. But you see, our security, them have over here so 93 bird of that. Nice place, man. So next big mansion, them work on. Just go walk down to the bottom of the street. Because I don't see no more of the big house them. Right now. We probably should go around to the next side. But we leave that for next year when we're going to be on the hunt for Drake house. And like I said, people, we're just going on the balcony, on the street, showing you the house. We're not going on the people in property. We're not trespassing on anybody property. But this is the next big one you can see I go build up, you know. And next big pool out. People have them type of house over here, you know, man. People look upon you, you know. No joke, no anything. People are Drake houses now. We hate the way people. I think we just reached Drake house. Oh God, people, we just made it. We just made it. We just made it. Look at this nice one too. Over here, look at that. Look at that, my peeps. Cha-cha God, man. People, I think we just made it to Drake's house. Or if it's not Drake's house, it's something that look like Drake's house. No, my people, look at this. Look at that one. No, you know, see the beauty. Well, let me show you guys this one first. I gotta walk around here to show a couple more houses. Couple more houses. Look at this house. Look at that. Whoa. Look at that house, my peeps. Look at it. Wow. This is a house. This is a house. This is a nice property. Look at it. And there's a next. Look at that, people. Look at that house. Look at it. Look at that. And then now, look at this next one. Oh my God. No, my people. Just look at this house. And you tell me, say, somebody really make them type of people, you call them money. Money. Look. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that house. Hopefully you can see all of it. Look there. Nice house. We just reach down to the metal of the house them. Watch it. I go through up phone. I go through it, my people. I go through it. Wow. And Mr. People, I not if I go up on the land for the house. I don't want nobody come call. No police for me. Round here. So I trespass and thing. I just go through. Normally. There's a next nice big house over there. Hopefully you can see house. Oh, I'm seeing them, you know. A next nice one over here, so. Look at it. One look like a next nice house down here, so you know, come see a big porch park up. You see that a be rich people around here, saying, I don't see no black people all know, you know. Me not see no black people around here, so. And don't get it twisted, you have some rich black people. Filthy. Or if you go out some place in Brampton, yo, you see some bigger house than them here too. No joke in anything, but don't want to them more. You know? So next nice one here. But them are finished up too. It's not done yet. But them are the renovation on this one right around here, so. Wow. People. Panda one of my people. Wow. And then you stop the video here and do a So people, we just get good news. We just ask one of the workman them, and them say, yo, continue walk, you will see Drake's house. So today, we'll get to see Drake's house, my peeps. So you don't know, we still a walk. It's like 15 more minutes. So now just go on, walk with me until we find Drake's house. That is it. We're still walking with people, still a walk. Still walking, we're still going on the tour. We're still gonna make it work, hopefully. I'm go back around and send him to my car and my people. Because a far walk, my depon. I walk out this stool. People, come on, look at this property right here. Like some people can't walk go over the people and place them. But look at that property. That's like a castle. Look at that. Oh my God, look at these houses around here. Can't walk on the people and property do, but look. This is like a mini castle, people. Whoa. This is probably the smallest house we will see around this area, yeah? But we're still gonna be walking. So we're gonna be walking in a little circle until we buck up on Drake's house. But we're not seeing no more house. So we'll go and talk. So thanks again for everybody who's been liking, sharing, subscribing to the channel. Thanks again. Right, my people, you see, so we are putting the walk foot. We still put in the work right now, you know, just you know people. Tell us how we have to find Drake House today. And we are walk it out right now. 15 more minutes, the man say, to Drake's house. 15 more minutes. So everybody who's been liking, sharing up the channel, continue. You see that? But I want to really come to Jamaica too and walk out to find some of the big artists them house. You understand? But not give no location to the people them live, but just a show the big artists them houses and stuff. You know? Come remember I know start this video for real estate too, you know. So we're just doing the real estate version of the channel also, right? So thanks again everybody who's been liking, sharing, subscribing to the channel, liking up the videos. Continue like them up, you know, my people. Continue like them up. Please, may I beg you. Yes, so the channel need the subscribers right now, but we still have put in the footwork right now. Like I said, when we meet up on Drake's house, we're not go over the lawn or anything. We're staying on the sidewalk because we don't want no argument with no security. And most of these houses I just passed, they have security sitting outside in their cars. Yes. So if I go do something like this, and people, just make sure you stay away from the people in property. Because at the end of the day, it's their privacy and that's trespassing. And we don't want none of them any today when you have black people in them country. Them look down upon you, see it. So we'll do the right thing. We stay up on our side and leave them property alone. You see it, but people that walk past my yard at Jamaica and me they want to come over and do a tour, man, I have no problem. You see where I go from, because you don't know, you know. Bill where I bill, you know. You see it. So we still have to go and walk through. I'll go on my phone. Certain people. Phone through. We still have to go and walk through. Like a night I go catch me out here, so I don't want to catch me around here, you know. So I have to go walk around so back and walk all the way back around so just to reach back home. Yeah. No joke, no anything. I don't know lollipop thing, man. Yeah, man. So we just make the walk, see, and we have got turn back the camera around now. I'm going to see the neighborhood still. Cool? That is it. So next nice property right here again. Nice, you see. What them do to, you know, my people? A lot of the people them use the trees as cover so nobody really can see their houses, you know. So a lot of people do that too. So I can't blame them. Privacy. The end idea. The next nice one there. Right over there. Yeah, man. There's a lot of nice big houses around here. But me I get tired now. I want to go back on my car and drive go back home. Cause I think I did a lot for today. A lot of walking. I never know so the sun but I come down so fast too. That's one of the problems. And you know say son, but I beat me this bad. When people will think we are pull up on Drake house right now. Yeah. It's a next nice property over there too. Hopefully the camera's picking up all these houses properly, you know. But the people them say, oh, Drake buy out all the houses around him so he won't get no nice complaint. That's smart. Cause the same thing me that do in Jamaica too. But I buy out all of the houses from around me so I don't get no nice complaint. I have no problem with what he did. You know? Look at these nice houses. Oh wow. People, these houses are multi-millions of dollars. Kind of houses around here. Yeah? Multi-million dollars. People, I think I pull up the biggest house around here, you know. Oh Lord, upon the next one around there so too. And you see, bus still run around here. And you see that guy, his wife he knocked his head to me, blessing me up. So don't get it twisted like every white people is racist in this country and stuff like that. Nothing like that, my people. But sometimes you just have to stay away from the negative vibes ones. You understand what I'm trying to say? And don't go in their way. Because I remember I'm going to Brampton, you know, people. Them black people, some black people more racist than white people, you know. So don't get it twisted, you know. Yes, man. No joke in I think. Some of them black people come here and make it. They think the world is for them. Yeah? So, yeah, sometimes you just have to stay away from people and make life work. I don't know if it's just Drake house or what, because this is a big property going up. Can I look if I can see over there for my people? No know what going on over there though. People me don't know. The man said if you continue to walk. I don't know if this one was Drake's house. Probably it's Drake's house, but look at this next nice big property over there too. Yeah? Nice one that too, my people. Nice one. Well, like me say, well, now I'm going to trespass. Coming up to a next nice big mansion. Right here again. People can't reach Drake's house all now. Still miss us. I think this is Drake's house. Because the one here big. Watch it. God. Hopefully the last house is Drake's house, you know. Hopefully, you know, my people. But look at this. Get a youth must have dreams, aspiration. Put on the violence of Jamaica. It's not helping you. Put on the gun thing, man. Look on them type of video you may build. The people I don't want it. I think this is the last house. And I think this one, warning, no trespassing. You see that, my people? But I think this one is locked down. Nobody no live there. Ah, it's the Drizzy Drake house, ah. We finally made it. We finally made it. The Drizzy Drake house. We finally made it. The Drizzy Drake house, my peeps. This is the king house. We finally made it to the Drizzy of all Drizzy house. Huh? Me I do a vlogging. People, this is Dewey Clothing. The one and only clothing production is in Jamaica. You man know where Drizzy Drake house is. Me think this is Drizzy Drake house, so I know people. But I'm going to drop around. You want to tell some people, I'm going to make a drive. Pan brother part? Okay, we just drive go see Drizzy Drake and just drop me around, so. See man, now people, this is Dewey Clothing line. Alright? So you can shout out yourself to the people, man.
You don't do it already, you know. Respect to all the people and all the supporters them, you know.
So people, if you never see me in person, this is the man responsible for all of the clothing when you see the Dewey Clothing branding and in Jamaica. Yeah man. Alright, so I'm gonna put him information in the description, put him Instagram, so you can always go link him for your 1-2 shirt or a sweater or a hat or a pants or whatever. That is it. So right now we go over to where Drake is living now, people. I get up this morning and ask him the yeah, right now people just buck up on Drake house, see the big mansion there. Wait, let me see if I can get a video over there. This is Drake house, my people. Let me ask security. Security, I can't take a picture right there.
I don't want to put the picture for there.
Huh?
I don't want to be the picture in your car, bro.
You're not on the camera. But I'm proud for property, so we could go on. But people, this is Drake house right here. Biggest house in Canada right now, my people. Listen, this is public place, okay? Public. Remember that. But right, yes man people. You can do I do a different one. People will finally find Drake's property. The biggest house in Canada. So I show you all the nice houses. This is one of the richest community in Canada, my people. We can't trespass, we're not going on the property or anything. So you have to understand that. We have to respect people privacy in life. But this is it, people. We finally made it. And I promise you guys we're gonna find it. Alright. So we're gonna end the vlog here, my people. We finally find the house. So I gave you guys what I told you I was gonna give you. We find the property. We can't really go over there. Guys, like I said, security is all around this property. So you can't do nothing. I'm not even going to go on the grass. That's how bad it is. You understand me, people? But we find it, Drizzy Greg property right here. So people, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. People, we're back at the car right now. Alright. So we're back at the car right now, people. So my virgin again doing clothing. I'm gonna show me spot Prince live and we're gonna drive back around Drake's house because the security was giving us crap just now. So now I'm gonna drive back around so again now my peeps. So hope they can hear me. Let me turn on back the mic. So now we're gonna drive around to Prince's house. We're gonna drive around to Prince's house right now and back around to Drake's house right now and do a vlog proper. People, we don't really want to get no problem with these idiot people, so we just take your time slow and go through. But he's gonna show us even where Prince live. Yeah, famous Prince, R&B or whatever they want name, but or pop, one of them. But that Prince. So we'll drive around on theme property right now. But the car is just in front of me and move slow. But people, this is one of the richest neighborhood, like I said, in Canada. And we'll pull up and find it, and now we're gonna show you guys Prince house next. Virgin just down the road. And again, people, that's Doing Clothing. Yeah man, Doing Corn, you know. Well, that's we call the brand. I have to go find it and show you. But right now we're gonna pull up a Prince house and show you guys Prince house also. Yeah man, just the out, like I said, people, we're not trespassing on people's property or anything like that. We don't trespass or anything. Okay, so we're just gonna show you guys the outside and make it work. So this is him right in front of my people. Okay, so this is where Prince house is. So he's showing us. This is where Prince house is. This is Prince house right here. Right over here, that's Prince. That's Prince house, my people. And this street take us back down to where Drake's house is. Yes, man. So I come out here now. Wait there, I go outside and people. Which one? This one? Okay, so yeah, look at idiot security boy. Yeah. I'm good now, man. I don't want no more over there. Not. Yeah, man. Alright, bless up in already. Alright. So people, Prince house is over there, but we're not really gonna go over there. I think I did the job done today. Show you guys the richest community in Toronto right now. So I think I did a good job for you guys. I walked like an hour just to find Drake's house when we did it. But like I said, probably have to get a drone to come back and do an overview. But I don't want to go that far in these people's personal life and property, right? So just to do and show you a video with the richest houses in Canada, in Toronto. And we did it and we find Drake's house. Hopefully we get a good vlog out tight. And people, like I said, I'm end off the video right now. People just like, share, subscribe to the channel, and thanks everyone who's been liking, sharing. Bless upon yourself. Subscribe to what? 416 to 876 what? Jamaica. Your boy is out. Bless up. Waka.